Hi and welcome in this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to add any objects. So let's get started. If you want to add any object in the scene, so you can do that if you press Shift plus A on your keyboard. So you can see this, and here is you can see this is the mesh, and you can see these all objects here. So if you click on cube, so this cube is added in our scene. You can also see here. If you press G on your keyboard for grab and grab it anywhere, so you can see this. We have another cube. You can also add any object from here. You can see this add, and you can see this shortcut Shift A. So click on it and you can see this same and go to mesh and click on this cube. So we have another cube here. Press G for grab and move it anywhere. So we have now three cubes in this scene. This cube and this one. Now let me delete these two cubes. Press delete on your keyboard to delete it, and also select this one and delete this one, and also delete this object. Press delete on your keyboard. So let's try another object. Press Shift A on your keyboard and go to mesh again, and this time click on this UV sphere. So you can see this. You can also zoom in. This is UV sphere. Press delete on your keyboard to delete it. Shift A and add this time icosphere. So this is icosphere. You can see this. Press delete, Shift A and add cylinder. So you can see this is cylinder. Delete it, Shift A, and this last one is cone. So you can also see this. Delete, Shift A, and you can also try this plane. You can see this plane. Delete, Shift A, and this torus. Delete, Shift A. This is grid. Delete, Shift A, and this last one is monkey. Delete. Now add cube again. Shift A, go to mesh and add cube and zoom out. Let me move this view about this, and now add some objects. Now you know how to add these objects. Shift A, go to mesh, add UV sphere and grab it anywhere you like about here, and again Shift A, icosphere, move it like here, and again Shift A, this time cylinder, and grab it, Shift A, and this last one is gone, and grab it here. So you can see these all objects. So first let me delete this camera and light. Select this light and delete it, and select this camera and delete it. So you can see clearly these all objects. You can also shade smooth these objects. Click on this sphere and right click on your mouse. You can see this object context menu, and here we have shade smooth, shade auto smooth and shade flat. So click on this shade smooth to smooth any object. Click on this one. So now you can see this, it is now smooth. Press Ctrl Z on your keyboard. First you can see this type of squares. Let me zoom in. So you can see this squares. If you shade smooth it, so you can see now it is smooth. You can also do this for other objects. Click on that one, right click on your mouse and shade smooth, so you can now see. And also you can use shade auto smooth, so you can also see this. You can see this difference. Control Z on the keyboard. If you shade smooth, so you can see this. If you use shade auto smooth, so you can see this. If you click on shade flat, so it is go back what it is already have. So let me shade auto smooth and also move this. Click on this icosphere and shade smooth, so you can now see this. And also click on this cone and shade smooth it, so you can now see these all objects.